we will see few more things about SQL, like in, between, and like, and when and how we have to use it in our SQL queries. So these are very simple. Let's see. We have this table in which we have 14 rows, and we want to uh, only few records out of this table based on a end condition. Okay, so how we write it is like, where suppose we want to see for which the id is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so if you write this query, so it will return only the 4 records for which it is there, mentioned in the in class. Okay, so if you want to see which are not in 1 2 3 4, so in place of in you have to write not in, so it will give you everything except 1 2 3 4. Okay, so the in is, for example, so what it in this in does is, it does the same thing. If you write like the id equal to 1, or id equal to 2, or id equal to 3, or id equal to 4. Okay, so both these queries does the same thing. If you can see, the result is same. Okay, so just not to write in this format, so the in class makes it uh, little easier, so that you can mention all your inputs in a single section, and it will give you the expected output. And mostly in is like very useful when we want to pass a subquery. Suppose you have this query and we want to pass a subquery for a particular value field in this table. So where we can write, where id in select id from customer, where id greater than 5. Okay, or will not write greater than, will write less than. Okay, so in this case also it will give you the same result. Okay, so here the in is actually the section of the query inside the bracket is the inner query, and which is passing the result to the outer query through in class. Now let's see what between does. So between is like when you have a specific range. Okay, suppose you want to see in a particular range, so let's assume here it is 1 2 3 4. It may not be in a sequence, right? It can be 1 5 7 8. Okay, so that is not in a continuous range. But when we want it in a particular range, so we can use between as well. For example, select star from customer, where id between 1 and 4. So the range which we are giving 1 and 4 both are inclusive. Okay, so if you run this query, it will give you same result. Okay, so if you want to see not in, like we are using not in, here also you can write not between 1 and 4. It will give you rest of the result except 1 and 4, 1 to 4. Okay, you can see the difference, right? Okay, so basically, so this between you can also, suppose you want to see like the people born in a particular between particular date range, right? Like from last 1 month, so you can give that range. Okay, so it will give you the record of the people who have born in last 1 month, so that is kind of a range. Or like who have joined in last 5 years. Okay, so that is continuously from the till today, till towards the end of the 5 year in past. So that again is a range, so it will return all the result based on the query. So in those cases also you can use between. Now we will talk about like. So like is something it like if you want to query the result out of a certain pattern in the values, field values. So in those case you can use like, for example. So there are certain kind of wildcards in like which includes like percentage, underscore, or something like that. We'll just find out in our uh, query right now, and we'll see how it is working. So suppose you want to find out all the names with starting with A. Okay, so we'll write select star from customer where first name like A. So it will give you all the names records which is where the first name of the customer starts with A. Okay, so if you want the reverse, you can again use not like, right? Another example, we'll see all the names which is starting with S and ending with I from customer where first name like. So our requirement is first name should start with S and should end with I. So we will give it like this, S percentage I. Let's run the query. So now you see it is giving the records which is for which first name starts with S and ends with I. Now we will see some underscore wildcard. So suppose you don't care like how the first letter of the name starts. Okay, you are bothered only about suppose the second or third letter. Let's assume in our case we want all the records where the second letter of the first name is A. Okay, and we don't care what comes next, but second letter of the first name should be A. So how should be our query? Where first name like right. So if you run this query, you see we have all those names where the second letter of the first name is A. Okay, so again if we want to, it should not be A rather than anything else, you can do not like. Okay, as simple as that. Suppose your requirement now is to find out all the names, all records in which the first name either starts with A or B. percentage. If you run this query, it will give you, I think we don't have any names which is starting with B, so let's write yes. See, you got all the records where the name starts with A to S. So this you can use, suppose like you feel like okay, I will see if there is any some other character like invalid character in the at the first letter of the name, so you can write like A to Z. So any letter, any name which is not starting with a character that is not in the range of A to Z, those will come if we use not like here. So I think we don't have anything like that in our table, so it will not return any result, as you can see. Okay, unless if you want something like you want in the range A to let's say M, you can write A to M, give that range. Okay, if you want to A to S, it will give you everything that in range of A to S. Okay, M N R P also included in this range. Okay, unless if you want some specific letter, you can mention it A, B, S, P. So all this, like these are the letters in which the name should start. Okay, or in case if you want in your requirement is opposite, you don't want the names to start in this letter, so what you can write is this negate symbol you can give here. Okay, so what it will, just watch what it is doing. So it will give every name which is not starting with A, B, S, P. Okay, so it is similar to not like. So if you see here, I am writing not like in the first query, and if I write here, both will give same result. Okay, so this negate symbol is basically this kind of not like. Few more queries. Let's see. Just write a simple query. Let's start from customer. Where suppose phone number, like we don't care like what is the first 4 digits, so we give 4 underscore, but we want the 5th letter to be 5, and then we don't suppose care about what is next. So if you run this query, it will give you those phone numbers in which 5th digit is 5. Okay, suppose you want the 5th digit should be 5, and then you don't care about the 6th digit, so there is another underscore, and you want the 7th digit to be 7. Okay, and you don't care what's after that. So this is how it should be. Can see it, right? So that mostly covers how you want to use in, between, and like in this video. So hope it was useful. Thanks for watching, and as always,